If you're passionate about cutting-edge drone technology, high-performance aerial photography, and the future of compact drone innovation, you're in for a serious treat. In today's deep dive, we're covering everything there is to know about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. From unboxing impressions to full leaked specifications, pricing details, new features, and what it means for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the most anticipated drone releases in 2025. As a successor to the incredibly popular Mini 4 Pro, this next-generation flying camera is rumored to push the boundaries of what ultra-lightweight drones can achieve. With upgraded flight performance, professional-grade imaging, improved obstacle avoidance, and smarter AI features, DJI appears to be redefining the sub-250G drone category yet again. DJI Mini 5 Pro Unboxing Experience. What's in the box? From the moment you open the DJI Mini 5 Pro packaging, you know this isn't just another drone, it's a game changer. In our unboxing segment, we'll show you the clean and premium presentation DJI is known for. Here's what you can typically expect inside the box. DJI Mini 5 Pro Drone Intelligent Flight Battery. New DJI RCN3 controller USB-C charging cable and spare propellers gimbal protector. Quick start guide and manuals. DJI may also introduce a new fly. More combo for the Mini 5 Pro, which could include extra batteries, a charging hub, propeller guards, a carrying case, and more. Perfect for those looking to capture extended footage on the go. Full leaked specs. What makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro stand out? Let's jump into the full leaked specifications. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just about staying under the 250-degree mark, it's about packing professional performance into a small, portable form. Based on reliable industry leaks, here's what the Mini 5 Pro might feature. Camera sensor, 1-inch CMOS sensor photo capabilities, 48mm stills with RAW support and enhanced image clarity video recording, 4K at 100 FPS or potentially even 5.1K at 30 FPS HDR and D-Log, advanced color profiles and 10-bit D-Log-M for professional color grading, gimbal, 3-axis mechanical stabilization for buttery smooth cinematic footage transmission system, DJI O4 with up to 20 km range, and ultra-low latency flight time, estimated 35-38 minutes with the new high-efficiency battery obstacle avoidance, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, smart features, focus track, master shots, waypoints, and potentially AI-powered object tracking wind resistance, upgraded to handle 38-40 kph wind speeds for better outdoor stability, internal storage, possibly 8 GB or more onboard memory. If these specs are accurate, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could rival drones like the Air 3 while still staying in the ultra-portable category. Enhanced camera performance. Ideal for aerial creators, content creators, drone vloggers, and travel filmmakers will find plenty to love here. The upgraded 1-inch sensor offers dramatically better low-light performance, and higher frame rate 4K recording allows for fluid slow-motion cinematography. Whether you're filming a sunset over a mountain ridge or flying through urban cityscapes, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to capture crisp, detailed, and cinematic video footage. Its vertical video support, perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, is also rumored to be smoother and more responsive, catering to mobile-first content creators. Intelligent flight features. Smarter and safer. Flying DJI is expected to push its intelligent flight capabilities even further in the Mini 5 Pro. Rumored new features and enhancements include improved Active Track 6.0. Follow subjects with precision. Even in complex environments, advanced RTH, with terrain awareness and obstacle detection, waypoint missions, pre-program your flight path for perfect cinematic results, APAS. 6.0, real-time flight path rerouting to avoid obstacles automatically, quick shots, 2.0, more dynamic camera movements for social media-ready clips. These features make it easier than ever for beginners and pros alike to fly confidently and create complex shots with minimal effort. Flight time and battery life, staying in the sky. Longer, the Mini 5 Pro may include a new high-capacity intelligent flight battery that pushes flight time to the 35-38 minute range. That's up from the 34 minutes on the Mini 4 Pro and means you can stay in the air longer, shoot more footage, and reduce the need to carry multiple batteries. For creators who need extended endurance, DJI might also support a Plus battery variant, potentially unlocking flight times beyond 40 minutes. But be aware this could push the weight past 250 degrees, affecting regional regulations. DJI Mini 5 Pro pricing, what to expect? As with most flagship DJI products, you can expect the Mini 5 Pro to fall within the premium compact drone price range. According to early leaks, base version, $899 USD fly, more combo, $1,099 USD DJI RC, 2 bundle, $999 USD. This pricing places it above the Mini 4 Pro, but still well below the Air 3 and Mavic 3 series, giving it an attractive sweet spot for semi-professionals and advanced hobbyists. Who is the DJI Mini 5 Pro for? Whether you're a seasoned aerial videographer, a drone hobbyist, or a beginner looking for a travel-friendly powerhouse, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the ultimate all-in-one drone. Its under 250G design means it will likely bypass many drone regulations in the US, UK, EU, and other regions. That means less paperwork, fewer restrictions, and more flying. This drone is perfect for travel vloggers and backpackers, real estate photographers and marketers, YouTube content creators, outdoor enthusiasts and explorers. First-time drone flyers who want professional results. The differences are noticeable, especially if you're serious about quality and need a drone that delivers professional-grade results in a compact, portable size. Final thoughts. Should you wait for the DJI Mini 5 Pro? If you already own a Mini 4 Pro, the upgrades in camera, battery life, and smart features may be compelling enough to consider an upgrade, especially for professionals who prioritize image quality. For first-time buyers, this could easily be one of the best drones for beginners in 2025, given its feature-rich setup, ease of use, and regulatory advantages. DJI Mini 5 Pro release date. When can you get it? While DJI hasn't officially confirmed a launch date, rumors suggest an August to September 2025 timeframe. This would line up with their typical release cycle and give creators a chance to capture stunning fall visuals. As always, stay tuned to technology in the future for updates, leaks, hands-on reviews, and early comparisons once we get our hands on the unit.